Welcome to our new video on technology trusted reviews. If you're in search of the finest external SSD, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will present the top 5 external SSDs available on the market this year, taking into account their price, performance, and intended usage scenarios. If you want to discover which external SSD is best suited for your needs, make sure to stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices for the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description box below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are not ranked in any particular order, so be sure to watch until the end. Don't miss out on anything. If you find this video informative, please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Without further ado, let's dive right in. The first one on our list is SanDisk Extreme Portable 1TB SSD. This model stands out with its rugged design and compact size. Western Digital, which owns SanDisk, sells its WD My Passport SSD as well as SanDisk External Portable SSD for basically the same price. I like the design of this model a little better, and it's technically ruggedized with an IP55 rating, meaning it can withstand a sustained spray of water. It's also shock resistant and has a USB-C interface. The cheaper, older version has transfer speeds up to 550 megabytes per second, while the next-gen version nearly doubles that speed with up to 1050 megabytes per second, just over 1 gigabyte per second, and only costs slightly more for the 1 terabyte version. The price for the 2 terabytes model of this external drive jumps to $280 for the newer version. Your speed will vary if you're moving a mishmash of files to or from the USB drive, but when copying a single large file you should be able to get close to those fast transfer speeds. The next one on our list is WD Black P50 Game Drive SSD. This particular SSD is highly regarded as the best choice for gamers. The WD Black P50 Game Drive is relatively bulky for a portable solid-state drive, 0.55 by 4.7 by 2.4 inches, styled like a black rectangular shipping container with ribbed sides and hex screws in each corner. But it's more than an industrial kitsch fashion statement. Thanks to a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface, the P50's rated peak read speed is a blistering 2000 megabytes per second, fast enough to supplement the primary storage of your gaming PC. It also comes with both USB Type-C and USB Type-A cables, and it carries a lengthy 5-year warranty. The drawback to the WD Black is that USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 ports that allow its full performance potential are rare, found on only a few elite desktop motherboards and usually added via expansion cards. The drive, of course, works fine with slower ports, it just doesn't see the peak speed benefit. But if you want an SSD that's as swift as it is stylish, look no further. The third one on our list is Crucial X6 4TB Portable SSD. This SSD stands out for its excellent value, offering a generous 4 terabytes of storage capacity. Crucial's X6 external SSD is considered entry-level because it's just not as fast as higher-end models, which can offer read/write speeds that are twice or even 4 times as fast. The Crucial X8 is the step-up model. Even so, the X6 is about 4x faster than a drive that isn't solid-state, with transfer speeds of up 540 megabytes per second for the 1 terabyte and 2 terabytes versions and up to 800 megabytes per second for the new 4 terabytes version, which has one of the lowest prices for a 4 terabytes SSD at around $340. Comparatively, the 4 terabyte SanDisk Extreme SSD, which has a transfer speed rating of up to 1050 megabytes per second, costs $700. So you're basically looking at a $360 savings if you're willing to take a bit of a speed hit. Again, at least the 4 GB version of the Crucial X6 has been bumped up to 800 megabytes per second from 540 megabytes per second. Next up on our list is the Samsung Portable T7 Touch SSD. This external SSD is the top choice for traveling executives, thanks to its added feature of biometric locking. It ensures secure access to your data, making it the best option for professionals on the go. The Samsung Portable SSD T7 Touch is a tiny, 2-ounce aluminum rectangle that plugs into a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port. Samsung provides both USB Type-C and USB Type-A cables, so you needn't fuss with a dongle. It combines quick performance with roomy storage. So far, we could be describing almost any portable solid-state drive, but the T7 Touch protects your data in a way few others can, with a built-in fingerprint reader that ensures your sensitive files are for your eyes only. Technically, fingerprints aren't as secure as complex passwords, but they're a lot more convenient, and you can't forget them. If you need plug-and-play access to your documents on any nearby PC, the T7 Touch isn't for you. You must have Samsung's Windows, Mac OS, or Android software installed to use the fingerprint reader. But if you're looking for a mix of security and speed, your corporate or personal secrets are safe with this drive. The last one on our list is SanDisk Professional Pro G40 SSD, which is recognized as the ultimate external SSD for Mac pros working in the field. This SSD is specifically tailored to meet the demands of Mac professionals, offering unparalleled performance and reliability. The SanDisk Professional Pro G40 external SSD is wicked fast in both write and read speeds when used over a Thunderbolt 3 or 4 connection. This highly portable drive is also nearly indestructible. Its IP68 ingress protection rating, that means it's both dustproof and waterproof, surviving for half an hour 3 feet underwater, and it is certified crushproof up to a pressure of 4,000 pounds and can survive a drop of up to 9.7 feet. The Pro G40 comes preformatted in APFS, a macOS drive format that natively supports Mac Time Machine backups. You can reformat the drive to Windows-only NTFS or Windows and Mac-compatible exFAT formats, but the process requires some care. The Pro G40 is for creative types who need to transfer large video files or photo libraries in a hurry. The SSD's extreme ruggedness makes it suitable for off-site shoots, in the wilderness or wherever it may be exposed to the elements. That's right. In 2023, we witness an incredible array of exceptional external SSDs that demonstrate the remarkable progress in storage technology. These SSDs are designed to meet various requirements, including durability, gaming capabilities, value for money, biometric security, and compatibility with Mac pros. With their impressive features and outstanding performance, these SSDs will undoubtedly enhance your storage experience throughout 2023. If you found the video enjoyable, please show your support by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.